Alright, Subway has new protein pockets. We're gonna try. Options to choose from. Hello. Huh? Alright, we're back to the house. It's only $4. Not bad. I got the Baja chicken. Pretty good size for a little wrap. In size comparison, have big hands. Baja chicken protein wrap Subway. I put a lot of the sauce on there, but it's really good. It's falling apart. The tortilla thing is really thin. It's good. I like it. I'd recommend trying these. And they're cheap, protein, better option.